In recent years, the mid-range smartphone market has seen a few outstanding models. However, the most famous of them is considered to be the Redmi Note lineup. So any news concerning this series makes a stir on the net. The same is true for the upcoming Redmi Note 12 models. Today, a Weibo blogger revealed that two new Xiaomi phones with model numbers 22,041,216 and 22,041,216 had obtained network access licenses. According to the tipster, these ought to be the Note 12 series handsets. Previously, Liu Weibing, general manager of the Redmi brand, confirmed that the Redmi Note series will get updated every 6 months. It includes cost-effective smartphones that usually do not have equals on the market. Of course, other major smartphone vendors run a similar strategy and offer their own cost-effective smartphones. But Redmi's Note line has a long history, so it's easier for this brand to attract customers. If you remember, in the second half of last year, Redmi launched the Note 11 series. It focuses on the experience. So according to the company's strategy, the Redmi Note 12 series that will hit the market in the second half of the year will focus on performance. In this regard, the forthcoming Redmi Note 12 will feature a MediaTek high-performance processor, not the Dimensity 8100. That's why there is every reason to think that under the hood of this handset, we will find either the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 or the MediaTek Dimensity 8000 chips. If so, it would be quite useful to get acquainted with the key parameters of these two. For instance, the Dimensity 1300 uses TSMC's 6nm process node. The octa-core CPU contains 4 Cortex-A78 cores, of which one Cortex-A78 is a supercore, with a basic frequency of up to 3.0 GHz. Apart from this, there are 4 Cortex-A55 cores, with a basic frequency of 2.0 GHz. Lastly, this SoC integrates the ARM Mali G77MC9 graphics card. As for the Dimensity 8000, it is assumed to be the reduced frequency version of the Dimensity 8100. It uses TSMC's 5nm process, and consists of 4 Cortex-A78 large cores, and 4 Cortex-A55 small cores, clocked at 2.85 GHz. Other than that, the Redmi Note 12 will come with a stylish look and a long battery life. These three are believed to be 3 highlights of the upcoming mid-range. The device is likely to debut around May, so that to go on sale in June-July. Thank you for watching this video to the end. This is very important to me, and write comments. I will be sure to answer to the deputies. See you soon.